G'day guys, hope you're all well. This is brought to you by FTX. This is the market, well, my watch list really. Hope you've been enjoying the run-throughs of all this content. And if you haven't got your FTX account, or if you don't know how to use the platform to raise orders just yet, do not fear and do not forget. Click below, you'll see in the description, 10% off your trading fees for life with FTX is available for you. And also, how to raise orders is there as well for the crypto cradle. So, no more excuses. You know what to do. All right, so what have I got on my list? Well, let me take you through what I'm seeing on Bitcoin here. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Like I said earlier in the week, I think it was on one of these videos, I was hoping to see a bullish candle in that cradle zone, although I couldn't trade it because the stop would be down here. I wanted to see it break the high. It did. It's moving. It's trending. It's good. Next hurdle, 10,000. Now, I'm more than happy to have a bit of a pullback today because I'll just show you something here, right? Yeah, that was on the 4 already. Hang on. Oops, wrong one. That one there. We haven't really had a pullback. It's just gone blast off. A pullback into that cradle zone would certainly be welcomed. Earlier in the week, I was watching this flat level form, but god darn it, didn't actually get a third test for a breakout there. There was a trading opportunity up here on the cradle. You would have got your some profit out of that. It's starting to come back now, but it would have been a profit. Not a great deal has really occurred. If again, if you were Johnny on the spot and you were in here. There was a nice little cradle potentially there as well. That was a really nice move. That was the one that I know a lot of people did capture. So well done for those that did. As far as today goes, well, if it had have moved to the upside, I was going to be looking for opportunities on these lower time frames. But now that we are pulling back, it's not the 2 that I'm interested in, but the 4. A pullback into this region here, back into that cradle zone. You know the rules. That's what I'm going to be keeping my eyes open for. On EOS, which is looking pretty good today, I've got to say. If we look at the daily, you will note, and this is another thing that I also like. Here's the thing. I don't know what the market's going to do, right? I just follow trends. Now, EOS has a downtrend, and EOS has pulled back into that cradle zone, and there is a small little bearish candle in that cradle zone. So perhaps, now I've got to wait for that daily candle to close. Don't forget that. But perhaps, I might get a little opportunity for a short tomorrow. Now, it doesn't mean that I'm raising an order because I think the market's going to fall. I'm raising an order if I get the order to fill, because if it does fall, I want to be filled. I want to make money if the market goes up or down. So it's looking really nice right now on the daily, lower high, lower low, pulling back in. But that's not what I'm looking at today. Let me show you what I'm looking at today. Okay, on these lower time frames, look at this. Higher low, it's pushed on quite nicely there. Look where we are on the 2 hour. Now, I will say this. I will be looking to probably reduce my risk a little bit if I do get a little trade here. But it's pulled back marvelously. Where's it pulled back to? Let's just throw in a couple of fibs. And I know, look, if you haven't done all my courses, then this might not say too much to you. Okay, there's no double cluster there anyway. But we're back into the right area, 61.8, a little bullish candle in there. If it does set up like that, probably will take a little go at that, a little bite of that cherry, because it doesn't look too bad at all. If it doesn't work out, then maybe later on, as in tomorrow morning at 10:01 a.m., I'll check out that daily as well and just see if there's an opportunity for me to short that. Like it. Litecoin here, keeping an eye on this. Again, very similar to that of EOS. I'm not sure if the 2-day moving average is just in the correct order, but a little bit of trend there. Another one that daily where there's a bearish candle, then we could see it come off. Alts could fall. It's really there. It could occur. Looking at Litecoin again, I was watching up here to see if there's anything going on right now. Let me just be honest with you. I don't think I might actually take this out of my list. Yeah, I'm going to take that out of my list right now. Exchange perps, another one here. I was looking at this level this morning to see if we could push above, see all these higher lows. That gives me anchor points for my Fibonacci strategy, the booster trade. Right now, again, though, possibly a pullback on this 4 hour. We've had a very strong run up here on exchange, but a bit of resistance around here. But a pullback in, still worthwhile keeping an eye on. And again here, I had raised an order on Tron, and I'd raised an order because we had a bit of a breakout level through there that was sort of starting to look quite nice. Since then, I've cancelled that order, but it could come good. Why? Higher low, higher low, higher low. Learn that strategy to know what I'm talking about. If you don't know it, a break above and a pull back in could give opportunities for boosters. It's Friday. The market's been looking good this week. I haven't had any opportunities to trade at this stage. Not that there haven't been opportunities. It's just been a damn busy week, to be honest with you. I hope you've had a fantastic week. Don't forget, underneath here in the description, 10% off your FTX fees. And as well, importantly, how to raise orders on this very good platform. Guys, another market watch list sponsored by FTX. My name is Trader Cobb, so go to tradercobb.com and check it out. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend and trade well and safely. Manage your risk always. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.